Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be doing an unboxing of an ACER B227Q monitor. The monitor comes with 22-inch Full HD IPS panel with 75Hz refresh rate and AMD FreeSync technology. The monitor is rotatable display. The monitor is also having inbuilt webcam, microphone and audio and lots of other features in it. So without any further delay, let's unbox it. The packing is very well done. Inside the box, you get an user manual with warranty card, an audio cable, one display port, power cable, one VGA cable, and USB cable for built-in mic and webcam. And these are the parts of the monitor. This is the monitor. Back view. The monitor has a webcam port, one USB port, two audio ports, one VGA port, one HDMI port, PP port and power port. The stand is adjustable. Now fixing of the parts. Now fix the stand on the base using a screwdriver. Now fix the stand to the monitor. Now you can connect to an VGA port or DP port. Or you can connect to an HDMI port. I connected using an HDMI port. You don't get an HDMI cable in the box. You have to buy separately. You can connect the cable like this. And the monitor stand has a space where you can pass your cable through it. And that's it about the unboxing. I will do review of this monitor in the next video. If you like my video, give a like and subscribe.